So huge shout out to Garmin. After pulling this thing, who knows, 5,000 times, maybe more, maybe less, it broke right here at the end. And I called Garmin, called their warranty. I don't even know if it was the warranty bunch, but customer service at Garmin, and told them what had happened, told them that the handle had broke off the end, and they got my serial number, and they sent me a new one right there. They didn't, no questions asked. They didn't say, well, how did you break it, anything like that, which all I was doing was just pulling it up. But no questions asked, sent me a new one, and big shout out to them. Probably some of the best customer service I've had. I've called them before on things, and they've always been just so helpful. So let me show you here how easy this is going to be to fix. See that right there? See that little pin? So I'm just gonna reach in there, pull that little pin out, just like that. Don't lose the little pin. And I don't think this comes out this way. I think it'll actually be out easier the other way, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my cable out. Here's my cable. I believe I might be able to just feed this back up through there. So once that out, I'm gonna just pull this end out here. Here's this cable, and then I'm gonna just feed this right through. I'm gonna grab a flashlight real quick. Alright. There we go. See? Got it clicked right in there. Watch how easy put this other handle on is. There. Just around it like that. Take the key. Do it like that. And then I'm going to just grab a screwdriver.